Well, hello everybody. When I came up with this idea to do this video, I'm not gonna laugh. When I came up with the idea to do this video, I was at work, I was walking to the bus stop, had my headphones in, glasses fogged up from the rain. It was very heavy raining, and there's like this intersection, and then I heard the walking signal go on this side, and I was like, okay, I can go. Couldn't see, started walking, almost got hit by a car. I'm not kidding. It was like if they didn't honk their horn. The worst thing, no, not the worst thing, the funniest thing is I was listening to Old Town Road. Could you imagine? So embarrassing. Anyway, I sounded so callous when I'm talking about that. It was just a moment. I was like thinking, oh my god, I could have almost died, you freaking idiot. And so it just got me really thinking, like, Jesus, if I died right now, I haven't done anything. Like, I haven't done anything in this life. So it just got me thinking, hey, I want to write a new bucket list. Truth be told, I've written like about 5 or 6 bucket lists in my life, and I'm only 22. I could only dig up 4, but they're here. And I've got this bottle of Sauvignon Blanc, and I just thought we'd crack open a bev or two and write a bucket list together. So if you guys are in the mood to write a bucket list or just watch me write one, you clicked on the correct video. I've got my wine glasses. These are my favorite wine glasses. They really don't wash well. Well, I say that, but I'm pretty sure like 90% of the time I use them, and then I'm like, oh, can't be bothered washing it up, so I just put it on the drying rack and pretend I washed it. Is that disgusting? I feel like that's kind of gross. I just like wipe it. Anyways, we'll stop talking about that. Cheers. So I brought out some of my old ones just to conjure up some motivation, some inspiration, shall I say. I've made a few in this, like in the span of my life. I've always just been someone that loves to think about the future, but never actually really does anything to like get there. So I've always loved the idea of writing bucket lists. I don't remember which one came first. Probably this one. I wrote this in high school. Beautiful book. This one's kind of boring. Try calamari. I only put that on there because I'd already done it, and I just wanted to write down that I'd already done it. Try Ben and Jerry's. I don't know why that was such like a groundbreaking thing for me to do. Dance in the rain. Eat a tropical fruit. What the hell? I was really setting the bar so low. Does anyone else like do their R's like a V? I think that's probably the worst I've ever done. This is carve a pumpkin. I've done that. We don't really do that in Australia, so that's pretty exciting. Build a snowman. That's it. That's it that I wrote in this. I honestly haven't really crossed off that much off there, so that's kind of sad. Next one I wrote in high school was this one, Jess Adventure Book. It used to say my ex's name and Jess Adventure Book. After we broke up, you can imagine, I'm sure there were tears involved. This one's actually so funny for me to read. I read it like probably once a month because it gives me a good lol. It's so, oh, it's just disgusting. Sorry, that was really dramatic, but eat a hot dog in New York City from a stand. That was in my other one. I'm probably gonna put that in my new one as well. I don't know why, I just really want to do that. Build a snowman together. That's so cute. Hit 100,000 subscribers on, I said our vlog channel even though we didn't have one. Crossed it out, said mine. I don't even have a vlog channel, I just have a YouTube channel, so I don't really know why I said that. Kiss on the Ferris wheel. That one has me dead because that is disgusting. Get married. Slow dance. Get matching t-shirts, have a Starbucks date, go to Disneyland, kiss at the Eiffel Tower, ride a gondola, take a romantic bubble bath, go to the gym together, ew, kiss underwater, I'm dead at that one, wash our car in our swimsuits, that's disgusting. Make a short movie. I don't know why when I was younger I was really adamant about just like making a movie or like writing a novel, and I just don't know why, because I don't think I have the knack for it. This just goes on and on as well. Like, have a scary movie marathon. Piss off. Draw a picture of each other. Like, why? Walk on a red carpet. When was I ever gonna do that with him? Paint on each other's bodies. Carve our anniversary and initials into a tree. Write letters to each other to open on 5-year anniversary. That didn't age well. Start a family. Also didn't age well. Paint and frame our creation. I have no idea what that means. Eat a foot-long sub in one go. That's like what I do every time now. I don't know why that was on there. Sorry, I swear we finally got a few more to go. Hey buddy, try cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. I swear I just wrote these because I knew I'd done it. Like, try snow cone, try cheesecake. I'll see. Write a novel, make a full-length movie. Stop it. Okay, that one was really shit. This next one's the most recent one. If my memory serves me correctly, I wrote this one when I was dating this British guy, and he was like really worldly, and so I was like, oh, this was such a bad phase of my life, guys. This was such a shit time. And I thought that he was like too good for me, so I was like, oh my god, I've really got to up my game here. Honestly, you could look back on my YouTube channel and you could probably pick the time in my life when I was dating him, because I was just like, so today I'm going to and I used to go out every weekend. Anywho, learn a new language, very worldly. I was just trying to be like the best person I could be, so I just wrote in here, I was like, what would he like? Get a tattoo from each country I visit. This one kills me because like this kills me because I only said I was gonna do this because mum had told me, because they worked together, mum had told me that he did that, and so I worked it into the conversation to pretend that that was already what I was gonna do. Oh. Not. Walk the Great Wall of China. I'll try, but I don't know if I'll make it. Visit St. Paul's Cathedral in London. See London. Churches in London. See as well, Columbia Road Flower Market. I'm pretty sure that's in London. Afternoon tea in UK. Can I stop it? Oh my god, this is sweet. Fall in love. Can't tick that one off yet. Okay, this is shit. Shit. And we're done with that. So, welcome to my new bucket list. This one is this is gonna be the one I use for the rest of my life, okay? If I don't, hold it against me, because this is like everything I could ask for in a bucket list. How sexy is my nail polish as well? At first glance it looks like black, but it's actually a deep plum. So it says The Universe. It's really sexy. I got it from Amazon. I'm so obsessed with Amazon, it's such a problem. This is the front cover. Yes, I used a feather quill pen to write that title, so appreciate it, please. Okay, so here we have a fresh new bucket list, gold lining on the pages. I'm gonna dedicate like one page each to the objective, and I've got a few. Oh, this is where I get stressed because like I don't want to mess it up. I don't know what we're gonna go with. Like, should I do like colored headings? Or should I do like a coloured checkbox? I'm gonna do coloured checkbox. Yeah? Coloured checkbox. Oh, that's such a fatty. And then, oh, hi Raya. Come here, darling. Don't put that in. Anyways, what should I write? What should my first thing be? Hopefully like I just tore myself a new one with these four. I don't do that when I look at this in a few years. So it has to be something spectacular. First thing is get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Putting it out into the world. Get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. What's the next one gonna be? I want it to be something fun. This is kind of boring video to watch, isn't it? What do you guys want to put on your bucket list? That's a little tip I learned. Engage your audience. I don't even know what I'm talking about at this point. If I died tomorrow, what would I regret the most that I didn't do? How about visit Hobbiton? Yes. Okay, so this is the layout. Let me know what you guys are doing with your layouts.
Wait, are they making one with you?
Yep. You guys are making one with me, right? Anyways, yep.
I don't have one.
Checkbook there. Then we've got the subheading, or the heading, if you like to say that. And then down here, something really special. I've like, can you stop? I need to get out of it. I've made a little date thing there, so I can write the date. And so what I'm gonna do is, when I accomplish this, which could be sooner, could be later, I'm gonna print out a picture, then write a little journal entry about it. How it makes me feel, etc, etc. And then so next, I kind of like this lighting better. What do you guys think? I'm gonna change the color. Like to do that sometimes. I'm gonna go in rainbow order. No one gives a shit about this. You probably have clicked out. You've probably clicked out. Are we getting Macca's for dinner?
Oh no, Mum didn't say.
The next one I think is gonna be have an at-home library, because I have like a vision of what I want my at-home library to be, and I've already started buying stuff for it, even though I don't even have a house. And even when I do buy a house, I probably won't have like the funds to make an at-home library until I have like my big house with my husband. But it's still a dream of mine. I'm buying things and putting things on my Christmas list. It's called manifesting. So have my dream at-home library. What should be the like semantics of that? So have at-home library. We'll keep it simple. I really want it to be cool too. Like I want to have, if you guys have seen on Amazon, they've got this like thing that's like a big world globe, and then you take off the top and it's got like a bar in there. And I'm like, wow, I need that. And I also want to have like a big bust. I'm making myself sound really dumb because I don't even know if there's no statue of Michael, statue of David. I do sound very dumb. Moving on. David and Michael. And next, you already know what's coming. I have a hot dog from a New York City cart. I actually hate hot dogs. I hate them so much. Like there's a difference between like a sausage and a hot dog, and in Australia we've got like sausages. You probably have them in everywhere else, but I'm just gonna assume that only we do it. And they're so good. I love them. Hot dogs I freaking hate. They just taste, I'm trying to like picture me eating it so I can picture what it tastes like. Yeah, it's unlike anything I've had. It's like calcium-y. I don't even know what it is. It's so fezzer. But I'll make an exception for New York because it's New York. I've only written 4 things and I feel like I'm losing the crowd, so I've got to like speed through this. Next, I really want a sword. I want Aragon's sword from Lord of the Rings, and I will not settle for anything less. They don't sell real swords. When we were younger, Dad had real swords. Like my dad has 3 black belts in karate, and he had these 2 swords that used to go like this, and they hung above, like, I don't know, I was like 3, so I don't really remember, but I just remember those being there. So it's possible. I don't know if I have to like get 3 black belts in karate to get one, but if I do, watch this space. I definitely have to take a cooking class in Italy. So next, this is getting so boring for you guys. I can just feel it. I can feel the vibrations through the screen. What's next, Annie? Give me something. Meat. Beef. Who should I meet? I don't want to put anything too outside the box. Like, meet Shane Warne. Meet Warwick Kappa. Putting it on there. No, I don't really. I did have this vision of when we went to Byron, like us just stumbling upon like Liam Hemsworth fresh out of his breakup with Miley, and just me going like, and him falling in love. Didn't happen. I'll finish this glass of wine and then I'll piss off and you guys can just live your lives without me. It's kind of sad. Anyway, what are we doing? What have you guys got on your bucket list right now? How many things have you written in the time that I've been talking shit?
I reckon there's gonna be 0 people doing it with you.
Yeah. I'm just gonna crack open this to see. I know. Get a Gorlami tattoo. Going on there. Okay, quickly think of something to go on my list. Let's go through the British boyfriend bucket list. Some good ideas from here. I do actually want to see that. The American Museum of Natural History. I can't even be bothered writing that sentence because it's like so many words. Visit the American Museum of Natural History. Like that's just so long.
Yeah.
Oh, I reckon I've got one more sip and then I'll let you go. You know what should be on my list? Age some wine, because every time I buy a bottle of wine, like I just drink it straight away. I want to age it, you know. I've got a bottle of rosé in the fridge that I've been trying to age, but I don't even know like if you can do that. It's a really pretty bottle and it's got a cork in it, and I just don't want to open that cork, you know. I think I might open it. Oh, actually that reminds me, the other day I bought limited edition 12 years aged Scotch whiskey, Game of Thrones, House of Baratheon, and I've decided I'm not going to open it until I get engaged. So that's probably at least like 20 years. But it's going to be super romantic. Imagine husband pops the question, babe, let's open it. Bottle of friggin' aged Scotch whiskey. It's going to be a really special moment betwixt the two of us. So I thought I'd let you in on that. So if you guys ever see me like take a picture of the whiskey and it's open, you know I'm engaged. Oh, I've just thought of one. Eat at the world's first Macca's. That's going to be like a sight to see. That's going to be when I know I've just, like, I'm ready to die. Like, this is it. This is the peak. Okay, I'm finishing this and I'm going to leave ya. Okay, fingers crossed that we get Macca's for dinner. Also, I think I only wrote like 8 things in this bucket list, but I will continue. I just feel the pressure because the thing's recording and I don't know, I feel like I'm boring. I'll put a tiny clip in the end of what we get. So if you stay till the end, write down below. They used to do this all the time back in the day, back in the YouTube day. If you stayed till the end, secret emoji, eggplant. The secret emoji is the purple love heart, because these are purple. They're intricate and they're special. Purple love heart. Okay, see you later. If you guys, oh, okay, shut up. Yeah, you'll see what I get for dinner now. Bye.
At the hotel,
We got Macca's. Who voted Macca's? You're correct.
You didn't do it though.
Peace out. Enjoy the video. Hope you did. See you later.